You must take permission of your Diksha Guru, but if you only have Harinam, that's not Diksha. You follow? Diksha means Divya Gyanam, means receiving of Diksha mantra. There is the Sampradaya Diksha mantra. The Sampradaya Diksha mantra for the Vaishnavas in general is Gopal mantra. 8 syllable, 10 syllable, 18 syllable. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got 8 syllable Gopal mantra. Only Gopi Janavallabha is there. No, don't need any more. Nothing else required. We don't need Krishna, we don't need Govinda. We need Gopi Janavallabha. Because he's Radharani. And he's a Vallabha. Krishna's a Vallabha. And Mahaprabhu's in Gopi Vav. Cling Gopi Janavallabha as well. That's his mantra. Yeah, so fools rush in where angels. Fools rush in where angels dare to tread. Yeah, it's right there. If the Diksha Guru is alive, Sri Jiva Goswami describes certain conditions regarding how a disciple can accept other association of Gurus and Vaishnavas. 1. On the Guru's order, that's the first one. One may hear from, associate, and serve other Vaishnavas as long as it doesn't interrupt or go against his, or conflict or contradict his seva to one's Guru. Shri Guru Agya, Seva Avirodena. Guru Agya, Guru gives you an order to do some seva, and it goes avirud, it goes against it. And so, because you want to serve, he's a very elevated devotee, I want to serve him. But the Guru says no, then the answer is no. Such Vaishnava seva is beneficial and helpful. Vaishnava sevanam shreyas. Vaishnavs, he says, Vaishnavanam sevanam shreya. It's very beneficial. Otherwise, if you go to another guru without Diksha Guru's permission, it will be faulty, mistake. Anyata dosha syat. Anyata dosha syat.